Well, hello, my friends. Welcome back to the bench. And today we're going to be going over an old favorite here, and there's a reason for that. This baby is on sale for an incredible price, and I got to give a discount code to go along with it. As I contacted Gaahleri when I saw the price, this is part of Prime, Amazon Prime spring sale. I guess it's like Prime Days, but it's a spring sale. It's only about a week or so. Anyway, this is going to be on sale starting now, this afternoon. I was told it's going to go through almost the end of April, even though right now there's a ticker going by showing how many is sold. So I got to find out if they're going to re-up and keep it going, because I know the sale Gaahleri told me is going to be on for a few weeks. But I know right now it shows the supply of them as it ticks away. It says 2% is already sold, so they're still up there. Anyway, this is the GHAD 39. This is their budget airbrush. I took mine. This is mine. I put it back in the box because I use it weekly for over a year now, and it looks like the day I bought it, and it looks like the day. All the parts look like they've never even been used. When I tell you the price on this, everyone should have one of these in their arsenal. And then there's another reason why I like this company, other than the fact that they make my swallowtail. Where are you? One's always within reach. My swallowtail, which I use every day, is the parts. And not many budget airbrushes can you get the parts for. All right. First, let me show you the airbrush. You've seen it already. I think I'll spray. I think I'm going to spray this Park Green from Tamiya, just to show it to you, some of you guys out there quick who haven't seen it. There is the parts schematic on the lid. Beautiful packaging. Right? A nice manual, actually. This is a very good manual for taking it apart. It's got extra washes right there. And this is mine. I actually just put it in the package so I can present it as you see it. 2 needles in nozzle sets. A 0.5 millimeter, which is right here. There's the nozzle, and there is the needle. And in it is a 0.35, which is a standard, I think, for Iwata. And 2 cup sizes and the tube of lubricant there. And there it is, the 39, and look at the condition it is in. I just wiped it down quick, put it in. You got the stopper in the back, beautiful tension feel to it. I use this quite a bit, and I get a lot of feedback from you guys. Let's put this, let's grab this, let's put this cup on it. I get a lot of feedback from you guys who bought it when it was first introduced, and you guys love it. A lot of you guys use it as your daily. I do use it at least once a week. I lay down a lot of base coats with this. The 0.35 is in it now. I forgot what I was painting. I might have put chrome down with this, believe it or not. Let's take this lid off. I don't use the lid for the test. All right, let me show you the reason. Let's get a... Hold on, guys. I'm going to get a airbrush stand for this. All right, let me show you on my other phone here. I'm going to go to Gaahleri.com. Can you guys see this all right? All right, this is the website. This is another reason why this is an incredible airbrush. All right, we're going to pull down the menu here. We're going to go to shop. It's hard to do this to the camera. Okay, airbrushes. All right, they got a lot of airbrushes now. Here is the 39. All right, there it is. And there's the normal price right there. Well, it's on sale for them at 39. We're going to blow that price out of the water right now. I'll tell you in 1 second. This is the reason why I like the airbrush. We're going to go down here to the schematic, just like in the box lid, and you need a part, right? You need a part. We're just going to touch it here. Here's the nozzle, right? See all compatible nozzles. Touch it here, and there you go. The 0.5, the 0.35, $5.99, $7.99. They're on sale evidently here, right? Already has 5-star reviews. Check that out. All right, what other things do we need? Anything. You need this trigger, levers, any compatible lever. There it is. There's the part. How many brands, and they have a new alternate trigger, which is this square one's very comfortable. I think I just got one in. I'm going to put one on this one. How many budget airbrushes out there can you get all the parts for? Not many. So, and the good thing is I didn't need any. This is still as I got it a year ago, over a year ago. So let's look at the needles. All compatible needles. All right, there's the 5. There's the 3.5, $5.99. All right, they ship worldwide. All right, look, check that out. The spring. Let's try that. All compatible springs. It'll probably just one. There it is, $2.99 if you lose the spring. So there it is. You can get every part you need for it, which is awesome. Now here's the price point before we go with a quick test, and we'll wrap this up quick. It's $29.99 right now on sale on Amazon's spring sale days. Use the link below. I will get recognition for if you use my link. And I'm also going to give you guys a coupon code because I asked them about it, and they says, yeah, that's on sale, and that's when I found out through them. Sorry, with all the ums. They gave me a code. It's how about a code, Robert? Because I've been working with these guys for a while. I said, all right, so they gave me a code for another 12% off, making it $26. I think it's around $26. I mean, it's worth it if you just want it for parts, right? You just saw what the parts were, but you probably, it's worth having. If you don't have one, it's just worth having. It's just such an awesome airbrush. It's treated me well all this time, and at this price point, at the $39 price point, I recommend it to a lot of people. At $26, even the $30, if you don't have the coupon code, it's a no-brainer. It's just awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and we'll just do a little quick spraying, show you how it sprays quick. We'll spray a spoon or something, and then and we'll just wrap this up. Like I said, just a quick video to let you guys know this awesome airbrush is on sale for the incredible price of $29 before coupon code. I think the coupon code is 12%. In my head, I'm running the numbers. It's about $26. So let's go ahead and thin up some of this Park Green. We'll throw some in the cup. We'll do a quick paint. Come back and wrap this up. All right, here we are at the Pace spray booth. Oh, I got a new Pace spray booth in. I'll be testing it soon. Here we go. We just put some in there. We thinned it with some isopropyl alcohol. All right, show you what we can do here. I don't know if I can get some nice lines here. I was practicing here. Let me see. Yeah, we got some really good. Nice lines. See if we can show you how wide we can get this. This is the 0.3, so the 5 is the one I use for primers and clear coats. I'll even put my 2K. I'll use this for my 2K. All right, we have a spoon here with a primer on it. There we go. Matter of fact, I might have used this airbrush to put this primer on. Now the compressor's running. Working on some stuff behind the scenes. When I saw this airbrush go on sale, I always check every day for everything for you guys. It's never ending over here, never ending. Nice color, Park Green. I use this for a particular kit. I'll show you at the end. Anyway, that's all. I wanted to show you with spray. Let me clean this out. We'll go back at the bench and we'll wrap this up. All right, back at the bench. Yeah, the performance is it was always great. Like I said, I use it all the time, and I recommend it. I'm going to put the link below to it, and then don't forget, I'll put the coupon code that they gave me, the discount code for another, I think it's 12% off. But even so, without it, at $29, absolutely a must purchase. Just to have an extra airbrush on your bench, it's worth it. It's a great airbrush. Like I said, this one's over a year old, and it looks like it's performing like the day I got it. And it's got the great nozzle setup with the 8 chambers of air that come through, so it's very efficient. It pushes metallic paints through it really easily. It's a great airbrush. So that is that. All right, guys. Let me know, anybody below, if you even have one. Comments so other people who don't have one can read your comments, and so they can see how what you guys feel about it. All right. And anyway, that is it. I let you guys know that my 2Ks, which seem to be selling like hotcakes, have sold out. My second batch are going to be in, hopefully for late this weekend again at Gundam Pros, the black and the clear. Those will be back in. I'm hoping for the weekend. It looks like it should be there. So another batch of maybe 20 to 30 bottles of each, which will probably sell in about 5 seconds again. I have working on some new colors. They sent me some new pigments, and I've been testing them. That's them there. And I got a couple other colors, a sky blue and some kind of lead carbon color, which I think would be pretty cool for the lineup. I'm going to try and spray some clears over this and see if it makes a good base. That's what I'm working on now. My clear colors are coming out soon. I just got the thumbs up that they're ready to go. I had to name them. I gave them some names. So I have a new lineup of candy colors coming out. That's exciting. I have a new line of markers coming out. Those are almost ready to go too. Very exciting about that. I have 2 spray booths I'll be testing. One from Paste. Now, you know my Paste booth, which is right over here. Take you guys off the mountain here. Paste. Oh, Peacekeeper. That's my Paste spray booth. Made by one elderly gentleman named Bob Pace. Go figure. He makes them. They're all hand-built. They're all made of metal. All made in America. Free shipping on all of them. This booth is about $600-700. This is their biggest one, 36 across. It's a really large booth. Quiet. Then I tested the one in the middle, and the one I got coming in now is a. Let me put you guys back in here. The one that's coming in now is their entry level, their starter one. So I already have it. That is in stock over here. It's around the corner. I'm getting a table ready to set that up. And I'll be testing that soon. And I have another booth coming in. I think that's coming in tomorrow. It's a budget booth, $75. Nice big square shape. It's got LED lights, but I'm not sure about the fans. It looks a little iffy, but it's $75. I'm hoping if it's decent, it's a good entry level point. I like to test all price points here. So that's coming in for the weekend. I'm hoping. So that's on its way in. And yeah, that is all. That is it for now. I have a lot of tests coming up, working currently. Let me see if I can give a sneak peek here. Yeah. Check this out. Oh, look at this. This is Creatix Candy 2.0 over Chrome. I'm working on this for a Patreon member. If you guys aren't a member of my Patreon, we talk back and forth. It's a community. If anybody has questions, they answer directly. And sometimes if it requires me to shoot a video so they can see a color, I do that. And he wants to know how the Creatix is going to work over different chromes. So I sprayed all the chromes. Not all of them. I did about 5 of them. You know, All Clad, SMS, AK. I sprayed those on some swoods. We're going to see. We're going to pick one of my Candy 2.0s from Creatix, which is another test I'm working on. And we're going to go across the board and see how it looks and performs over different brands of chrome as a base. This is Midnight Blue over one of the chromes. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But anyway, that's what I'm working on now. A little sneak peek. If you're watching who this test is for, you know who you are. Look at that. I am working on it. So that's what we're doing behind the scenes. And I'm working on that Atom paint line from Ammo by Meg. A lot of stuff going on, guys. Let me head back to work. So anyway, I will put the link below for this airbrush. The GAD, I call that, right? 39. And look for the coupon code too. And let me know if you have any trouble. And if you question below any trouble you have, Gaahleri will see it and they'll respond to you. I'm sure they've done that right along the way. Let me head back to my music. I have some classic Asia. I have 60 CDs from Asia, believe it or not. I collect Asia. Bloodbound and Camelot, some of my favorite power metal bands. And so let me go off to cranking the stereo back up and back to some painting and some tests. Anyway, guys, thank you all so much for watching. You guys are the best. God bless you all. Have a great rest of your week. We will see you in the next video.